So what you can also easily do using Qwen is go ahead and generate out stories that you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say, generate a story about a girl who uh, won a gaming competition in Vietnam, let's say, for example, right here. So once you go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it gives the title, and then you can see that it actually goes ahead and generates out a story for you. So now it says the rise of Lin, Vietnam's gaming prodigy, right here. In the bustling city of Ho Chi Minh, where neon lights dance across the narrow streets and motorbikes zip through the chaotic intersection, 16-year-old Nguyen Tin Lin spent most of her evenings in a small internet cafe tucked away on a quiet alley. You can see that it all went around, and you can see that it mentions the game Valorant right here and so forth. And then the tournament right here and Lin's confidence sword and so forth. As you can see, it goes ahead and generates out an entire story just like this. And this is how you can simply go ahead and then utilize Qwen to go ahead and generate out a story as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please comment, share, and subscribe.